guys, it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a super quick try on haul from Lululemon's new spring collection. I have 4 pieces to show you guys, and I'm gonna do like a little try on haul. All of this stuff is new that just came out, and I'm super excited to try it. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and first impression, but first, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go follow my Instagram, and let's get right into it. I ordered 4 pieces. And I've never tried anything like any of them before, so I'm super excited to see what they're like. I'm not gonna tell you, so it's gonna be a surprise. I don't know what bag is what though. I placed 2 different orders. So they came out with new colors for some of their clothes. And I've mentioned before in some of my other videos that my favorite color is orange. So I got a cute orange matching set. I got these orange shorts. So this color is called Orange Soda. These are the speed up shorts. 4-inch lined. They have a little zipper on the back. I've never tried their speed up shorts before. They have the little symbol on the butt. These are so cute. They have like a little elastic waistband so you can pull and adjust it. So if they're like too big or whatever. And they have a little spot for your cards. It's gonna be so cute. I am obsessed with this color. They have these in a bunch of like pastels too. And then they also, this is not just another line tank. It's the same material. It's the high-rise top in the exact same color. And then the back is just like the standard. And then it has like the little boob pads in it, but I always take these out because they're uncomfy. This is a lot brighter in person than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm living for it. You're gonna see me running down the street looking like a traffic cone, but that's fine. It'll be cute. Matching sets are a must, and Lululemon really does have the best ones. Still have the tags on these, but love the top. It's very comfortable, very supportive. And honestly, the shorts are great too. I love that you have this little like pull thing to adjust the front of them. They have a little lining. There does seem to be just a ton of extra fabric though. I literally forgot what I ordered here. I've been wanting a cute white tennis skirt for the longest time, and they are always sold out on their website, but I finally managed to get one. But this is the new one that just came out. So this is the tennis time skirt. Built-in liner with pockets, 3.5 inch. This is what she looks like. It has a little Lulu symbol down here, and it's pleated. The material's really weird. It feels almost like a dress shirt. And the band's really weird. It feels like a seat belt. So weird. Not the material I was expecting. The outfits are unlimited with this, you know? You can do so much with a white tennis skirt. I'm just here to say this is so not accurate to size. The color is not even the same shade of white as the Align tank, and the size is so off. I'm usually a size 4 in all of the leggings and stuff. This is a size 4, and you can literally see the waistbands floating on me. Only need to size down, and if you're counting on wearing it with the Align tank, don't. I actually don't like the material. I have this really weird rubber band thing under here. Now, this is the last thing I got, but it's very different. So I already have the Everywhere Go belt bag. It does not function for me like what I think it's supposed to. Instead of using that all the time, I thought I would get a little card holder. This is just a lot more practical. There is a little pocket in the back. I've never seen anyone get one of these before, but they were only $28, so I thought this was a great price. There's 2 spots for your cards, and then it has a little zipper here. Come on, this is so cute. I love this. They have this in a bunch of other colors too, but I just went with the plain classic black. I told you guys it was a mini haul. That's really everything I got this time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like the mini hauls, or if you prefer if I just waited till I got a lot of things and then showed them all at once. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Instagram for more. I post every Saturday and Wednesday, and I'll see you guys in my next video.